The medical experts in this study were feeding people a single serving of Brazil nuts to see what it would do to the cholesterol levels of healthy volunteers. In a study, 10 individuals were given meals containing 1, 4, or 8 Brazil nuts. Remarkably, consuming even one serving immediately improved cholesterol levels. LDL, bad cholesterol, dropped significantly within 9 hours, by nearly 20 points within a day. This is remarkable as statins take about 4 days to show such effects. And, you will be shocked when we tell you that's not even the crazy part. You should also know that the researchers went back and measured their cholesterol 5 days later, and then 30 days later. Remember, the participants weren't eating Brazil nuts this whole time. The participants in this study just had that single serving of Brazil nuts a month before and their cholesterol was still down 30 days later. And their cholesterol levels went down and stayed down, after eating just 4 nuts. This is really amazing, right? And, now you probably ask yourself, this study was conducted by a group of Brazilian researchers? Well, sorry to disappoint you, but the answer is no. The study was not funded by the Brazil nut industry. How many Brazil nuts should you eat? As we said, this is really amazing, because the researchers found that just 4 Brazil nuts actually seem to work faster than the 8 nuts to lower bad cholesterol and boost good cholesterol. So, the results from this study suggest that eating just 4 nuts might be enough to improve the levels of LDL and HDL for up to 30 days, and maybe longer. They didn't test past 30. What do you think? Well, yes, we know that this study looks like a too good to be true study, and we all, including other medical experts, want to wait to see the results replicated before we change our clinical practice and recommend something to our readers and patients. Especially when the study is done on only 10 people, and especially when the findings are literally just too incredible to be believed. Don't worry, this simple and cost-effective method involves eating just 4 Brazil nuts a month. Medical experts recommend it until proven otherwise, as it's safe and beneficial. The high selenium content in Brazil nuts is key, but monthly intake avoids any risk of toxicity. Plus, even if the study were a fluke, Brazil nuts still offer potential health benefits like improving artery function and fighting cancer and inflammation. You should eat Brazil nuts every day, because they are loaded with healthy nutrients and they can provide many health benefits.